guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a detox water. Because it's the summertime, you need something more refreshing, something light, something that's gonna help you lose weight. So I decided, you know what, because I've been trying this and all, you know, I drink it throughout the day, and I decided, let me try it with y'all. Let me share it with y'all. And so I'm gonna try the recipe. I'm gonna show y'all the recipe. I'm pretty sure y'all already familiar with it, but I just thought I'd share it on my channel. But before I get into this video, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, if you can hit that red button down below and subscribe to my channel. With that being said, let's get into the video. So it's like a refreshing summer detox drink. So it's water, basically it's water. And you know, who wants boring water anyway? Especially if you're just gonna keep getting water weight. But with this water, you're finna lose weight. Let me tell you, it's finna give you clear skin. You finna lose weight, mind your own business, all that good stuff. You finna have a nice glow after drinking this water. So the ingredients you're gonna need, I already cut my cucumber because I used it for something else. I was out eating a salad, so I said, you know, let me use the rest of the cucumbers for a video. So you're gonna need some cucumbers. You're gonna need some mint. You're gonna need some lime. Make sure with your lime, right, to get all the lime juice out, right? So you're gonna massage this lime, massage it, because you want all the juice, everything out of this lime. Because you know, limes is really stubborn in a way. Some seasons they're stubborn, meaning that you just can't get no juice out of them. And then there's some season like this one right here, it's real nice and juicy, real nice. Then you're gonna need. You can use as many limes, as many lemon as you like. I'm just gonna use about 2 limes. I'm gonna use, what's this, a 1/3 of a cucumber? Because it's more than half, you know, or whatever. So, and then I'm gonna use 2 lemons. These is nice and right. You wanna do the same thing to them too. You know, the same thing to them. Massage. Then I'm gonna use some mint. This has already been washed. Then I'm gonna use some ginger. Then I'm just joking. Then I'm gonna use some apple cider vinegar. See, I'm almost out. Because when it comes to weight loss, if you ain't got the brag apple cider vinegar in your life, then I don't know. I really don't know. But this is best friend. I call brag best friend. I brag about apple cider vinegar. I brag about brag. This is the truth. Then I'm gonna be using this right here. This is the water I'm gonna be using, the Alkaline Water. Publix had this buy one get one free, so I had to, you know, get my one get one free, you know. And this is the one I'm gonna be using. The reason why I'm gonna be pouring everything in here because you want to drink this on the go. You know, for the people who, you know, like drinking water. I don't like drinking water. I love drinking water. I drink water on a daily. So this is the gallon one. I bought this off of Amazon. This is the 128. I got a half a gallon one, which is I think the 64 ounce, and which is the one I really carry daily. But for this week, I'm gonna start off with carrying, I'm gonna pour my drink in here. So rather it's in the morning, rather it's in the night, you know, just in between. So just drink this right here. And then you want it cold too. So when I'm done with all this, you just put it in the refrigerator, very refreshing. You can put ice in here and everything. I would say leave this up for 2 days or so. You know, I don't know how many people who could drink a whole gallon in a day, but usually I drink I drink usually the whole 64 ounce in a day because mine start at 7 a.m. Mine usually start earlier than 7 a.m., but this starts at 7 a.m. So I drink my whole 64 ounce in the whole day. If I don't, I'll be like a little bit, you know, a little bit or whatever. But yep, so let's get into the video. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna open this up. If you don't have one of these, because I bought this off of Amazon, I think it's like $20 or so. This is the gallon one, and I think it was 20. It was not that much. It was not that much. But if you don't have one of these, you need to invest in one of these, especially if you're a workout person like me, you know, and you know it has the handle right here. It has the handle over here, so you can take it on the go versus like a regular gallon like this. But this one, you just take it on the go with you. Y'all see that straw fall? Yeah, I'm gonna go wash it before I insert it back. So let me just start cutting up the cucumbers. Cucumbers is very hydrating, very hydrating when it comes to anything basically. If you have cucumbers in your salad, cucumbers let's just say it's very good. So the reason why I'm adding it to my water because it gives my water a very refreshing taste. It like, especially when it's cold. especially when it's cold. So I'm adding all my cucumbers in here. Let me put it right here so y'all can see. I'm adding all my cucumbers in here. Then I'm gonna add the mint. These are the mints. I got them from Walmart today. I got them from Walmart. So with the mint, you can either throw the whole thing in there, you know, or you can take out the leaf. You know, it's up to you. You can take out the mint leaves one by one and add that in there too. Let me tell y'all, by the time y'all done drinking this, you know, let me know if you do try this, or, you know, if you're gonna try it, if you're already trying it, you know. But for the summer, you're gonna need this because that sun is not playing with nobody, and it is not to be played with. You're gonna need something like this, especially on the go. You know, if you traveling this summer, this gonna really come in handy. All you gotta do, you know, if you have your water and all that, you know, if you stop by a gas station. If you stop by, you know, like a gas station or so, like who has, like a Wawa basically, you know, who has the fountain drinks and the ice, you could just fill this up with their ice and their water. It don't specifically have to be this water, you know. But yeah, take it on the go if you're going on a road trip. This jug really comes in handy. Really, really comes in handy. So yeah, right now I'm taking out the mints and I'm putting the mints in here. Y'all subscribe to my channel yet? Just hit that just tap that red button down below and just subscribe to my channel. Just subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and like this video as well. Like this video. And so yeah, so right now, so I've added my cucumbers, I've added my mints. Right now I'm gonna add my lemons. With the lemon, I'm just gonna cut them. Is it called Jody-Ann? I think that's what it's called. So I'm just gonna cut them. I'm gonna leave all the seeds in there too. The seeds don't bother nobody. And if you do drink the seeds, if you do catch a seed, you'll be able to catch it before you swallow it. You know? So I'm adding 2 lemons into my drink. You can add as many as you like, you know. This smells so good, y'all. Y'all should try this and smell it and let me know what y'all think. And it's looking so pretty already. So pretty. So I'm cutting my second lemon already. You don't have to buy this much of a jug, but you know, something on the go that would really help. So I have cut up my lemon. I've cut it up. Right now I'm cutting up my lime. It don't have to be cute the way you cut your lemon or lime. It ain't gotta be cute, fool. I would suggest after making this, let this sit for you know, like a good overnight or so. So all the flavors could come together. See, right now I'm making this. It's about like the time I'm making this. It's about like 9 o'clock in the night. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. It's 9 o'clock in the night. And this is for me to start my day with tomorrow morning. And I start my day early, y'all. Because what I do, I work out at 2 a.m. I start my workout at 2 a.m. Now I have the ginger. I'm cutting up the ginger. The ginger has been washed. It's to your leisure what you want to do with these after you know, after you drink all the water. It is to your leisure. You know, if you feel like you could do another let me use this instead. If you feel like you could do another round of water, do so. You know, if you feel like you need some fresher fruits, not fruits, fresher ingredients, you can do that as well. But let me know if y'all tried this during the summer, or let me know some of the refreshing drinks you tried, you know, to keep you hydrated first of all, and to help you maintain your weight. Because you know, a lot of times when the summer comes, that's when the weight comes too. So this would really help you. It's like a detox drink, a detox water. So this would really help you keep your weight down as well. This is better than juice, you know. This would definitely help you keep your weight down. Very refreshing, smells so good. The amount of ginger I'm adding is it's about 2 teaspoons of ginger I'm adding. The ginger, oh my, if you're on a weight loss journey, oh, you need ginger in your life, because ginger helps with burning the your metabolism. It helps burn it on fire. So not burn it on fire, but it helps with digestion and weight loss a lot. But it helps with your metabolism, your digestive system. So I'm just gonna cut that. It don't have to be perfect because you really need the flavor of the ginger. So I'm almost done. Ginger smells so good. I feel like eating it, but it's gonna burn my mouth. So yeah, you add the ginger. And so what I'm gonna do now is just add a splash. So this is all my ingredients. See how pretty that is? Look how pretty this is. Very pretty. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add my water before I add the vinegar. Very refreshing. Y'all hear my daughter in the background? So, and that's it. You know, you chill this. I wouldn't recommend freezing it, but you put this in the refrigerator. Very, very, very cold. You can put ice in here too if you have ice. You know, take it on the go like this. Real cute, you know. It's a little heavy, you know. You can do a little, you know, what's this called? Biceps or whatever it's called. But this is very convenient on the go. Let me add my apple cider vinegar. I got excited. I forgot about the apple cider vinegar. And this will never hurt nobody. Let me just add, you just want to add like a dash. That's good. That's good right now. You don't want to consume it with apple cider vinegar. No, 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 no. You just want to add a dash. You know, stir that thing up. Cool it. Oh. You know, don't add no sugar, no substitute sugar, no none of that. You put this bad boy in the refrigerator. I'm gonna wash my straw in a minute, but you sip this all day, and that's it. Sorry, y'all, my phone cut off. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with anyone and everyone you may think may need it. And then I'll see you on my next video. I love y'all. Peace.